Ladies and gentlemen, this is the unboxing of the new Sundown. It's a very good day. You ready?
Yes.
Let's go. This is a Sundown X Series. It's the 15. I don't know if you can get the box too. It's the custom enclosure these subs are gonna get in. Usual papers and stuff. Pluck them and file them. Of course, they come with the Sundown stickers. Debate on whether we want to slap that on or not. Here we go. Wow. This thing is pretty massive, I'm not gonna lie. Big rubber surround. They say these things are let's get it out here. Oh my god. Oh. This is the dual 2-ohm version. Can zoom on that part. That's right. It's the second version. Got the dual tinsel leads right here. Big massive magnet. Those are the holes so we can breathe. Got the other one going on over there too, so yeah. Got some more unboxing coming for you in a little bit. Gotta wait for it to come in, but yep, here we go. I'm not gonna play with them, are we?
Nope.
At all.